Faceless TikTok affiliate marketing. What if you could build a TikTok affiliate marketing business without showing your face, without becoming an influencer, and without spending hours recording videos every day? The good news is that thousands of people are already doing exactly that. In today's video, we're covering faceless TikTok affiliate marketing and how beginners are using simple content strategies, AI tools, affiliate offers, and short-form videos to generate traffic and commissions. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to start making money online, this guide is for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I regularly share affiliate marketing strategies, AI tools, traffic methods, and online business tutorials. And if you find value in this video, hit the like button because it helps more people discover these strategies. Let's jump right in. So what exactly is faceless TikTok affiliate marketing? Faceless TikTok affiliate marketing is the process of promoting affiliate products on TikTok without revealing your identity on camera. Instead of filming yourself, you can create content using screen recordings, stock footage, AI-generated visuals, slideshows, product demonstrations, text-based videos, animations, or other faceless content formats. The goal remains the same: generate attention, provide value, drive traffic, earn affiliate commissions. One reason faceless TikTok affiliate marketing has exploded in popularity is because the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a professional studio. You don't need years of marketing experience. And you definitely don't need celebrity status. You simply need a strategy. Let's start with step number 1. Choose a niche. Many beginners fail because they try to create content about everything. Successful affiliate marketers focus on specific audiences. Some popular niches include making money online, artificial intelligence, business software, personal finance, fitness, health, self-improvement, technology, productivity, online education. The more focused your niche becomes, the easier it is to attract the right audience. For example, instead of creating content about technology in general, you might focus specifically on AI tools. Instead of discussing health broadly, you might focus on fitness apps. Specific niches often perform better because the audience knows exactly what type of content to expect. Now let's discuss affiliate offers. The biggest mistake beginners make is promoting random products. The best affiliate products solve specific problems. People purchase solutions, not products. When someone wants to save time, they buy a productivity solution. When someone wants to improve fitness, they buy a fitness solution. When someone wants to build an online business, they buy tools, software, training, and resources. Always ask yourself one question: what problem does this offer solve? The clearer the answer, the easier it becomes to create content around that offer. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to tools, resources, and training designed to help beginners start affiliate marketing faster, click the link in the pinned comment below. I've put together resources that can help shortcut your learning curve. Let's talk about content creation. Many people overcomplicate TikTok. They think every video needs professional editing, perfect visuals, advanced animations. That's simply not true. TikTok rewards engagement, attention, retention, and value. Some of the highest performing videos are incredibly simple. For faceless TikTok affiliate marketing, here are a few content styles that work well. Screen recordings, AI tool demonstrations, before and after examples, list videos, tutorial videos, product walkthroughs, case studies, story-based videos, problem and solution videos, comparison videos, question and answer videos. The key is creating content that either educates, entertains, inspires, or solves a problem. Let's discuss one of the most effective formulas: the problem-solution formula. Start with a problem. Identify the frustration. Present the solution. Explain the benefit. Include a call to action. For example, most people struggle to create content consistently. Here's a tool that helps automate part of the process. This is why it works. Here's where to learn more. Simple, effective, easy to understand. Now let's discuss TikTok traffic. One reason Faceless TikTok affiliate marketing appeals to beginners is because TikTok's algorithm can expose content to new audiences very quickly. Unlike some platforms where growth can take months, TikTok often tests content with fresh viewers immediately. This creates opportunities for newer creators. But here's the catch. Consistency matters. Many beginners post a few videos and then stop. Successful creators understand that volume matters. The more quality content you publish, the more opportunities you create. Think of each video as a lottery ticket. The more quality tickets you own, the greater your chances of success. Now, if you're getting value from this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share affiliate marketing tutorials, AI marketing strategies, and online business methods designed specifically for beginners. Let's discuss AI tools. Artificial intelligence has dramatically changed content creation. Today, AI can help generate content ideas, write video scripts, create hooks, generate captions, research topics, improve productivity, organize workflows. This doesn't mean AI replaces creativity, it simply helps you work faster. Many successful faceless TikTok affiliate marketers use AI as a productivity tool rather than relying on it entirely. The goal is to combine AI efficiency with human strategy. Now let's discuss hooks. Hooks are critical on TikTok. If people don't stop scrolling, nothing else matters. Your first few seconds determine whether someone continues watching. Examples of strong hooks include, most people don't know this. Here's a mistake that's costing people money. I wish I knew this sooner. This tool changed everything. Stop doing this immediately. The secret is curiosity. People continue watching when they want the answer. Let's talk about call to action strategies. Many beginners forget to tell viewers what to do next. A simple call to action can dramatically increase results. Examples include, follow for more tips, subscribe for more strategies, check the pinned comment, learn more through the link below, grab the free resource, access the training. When appropriate, guide viewers toward the next step. Now let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They focus entirely on selling. People open TikTok for content, not advertisements. The best affiliate marketers educate first, provide value first, build trust first, then recommend solutions. Think about it this way. Would you rather buy from someone constantly pushing products or someone consistently helping you solve problems? The answer is obvious. Trust comes before commissions. Now let's discuss consistency. Consistency often separates successful creators from unsuccessful creators. Many beginners underestimate how long it takes to gain momentum. One video rarely changes everything. 1 week rarely changes everything. 1 month rarely changes everything. But consistent effort over time can produce extraordinary results. Every piece of content becomes a business asset. Every viewer becomes a potential subscriber. Every subscriber becomes a potential customer. Every customer creates opportunities for commissions. That's why consistency matters so much. Let's talk about realistic expectations. Can faceless TikTok affiliate marketing work? Absolutely. Can beginners succeed? Yes. Can you make money without showing your face? Definitely. But success requires learning, testing, improving, creating content consistently, understanding your audience, and solving real problems. There is no magic shortcut. There is no secret button. There is only execution. Fortunately, TikTok provides one of the fastest ways to start publishing content and reaching audiences. That's why many beginners choose it as their first platform. Now, before we wrap up, if you'd like access to affiliate marketing resources, tools, and training that can help you get started faster, Click the link in the pinned comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel because I regularly publish affiliate marketing tutorials, AI business strategies, TikTok growth methods, and online income content. Let's quickly recap. Choose a niche. Find quality affiliate offers. Create valuable, faceless content. Use strong hooks. Post consistently. Leverage AI tools. Focus on helping people. Build trust. Include clear calls to action. And stay consistent long enough to see results. Those are the foundations of successful, faceless TikTok affiliate marketing. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the resources linked in the pinned comment below. Thank you for watching. This has been Faceless TikTok Affiliate Marketing. I'll see you in the next video.